ProTool power sprayer will pull a 15-foot prime. So pulling it from your bucket, you could be a little higher than this and be like spraying up under a knee from a ladder. All right, and then you can control how much flow you want to come out of the tip from this control on the side. So here I've got the standard 40-degree system that came with it, and I'm going to be spraying on a nice even application with that tip. When you want to go further, you're probably going to want to switch from a degree tip, in this case a 40, to a pencil tip. And here, it's a rather large tip, so it's only spraying about 20 feet. A little bit smaller tip will be able to have this spray a little farther than that. The batteries will last 2 to 2.5 hours of continuous spraying, and they charge in about 2 hours. So with the 2 batteries, you should be able to continuously spray a large site, perhaps pre-treating a warehouse floor prior to pressure washing.